Hey everyone, Joe here from Sound Connection in Baxter, Minnesota. It sure is getting cold up here, and I've got this 2019 Polaris Ranger behind me here. And this thing's got every accessory known to man. It's got light bars, it's got bumpers, a cab, a windshield wiper, it's got heater, air conditioning, heated seats. And a lot of people ask, what's the next step? What else can I do? And I say add a T12 remote start to it. So here we've got compustar's 3-mile range, waterproof, shockproof, dustproof. It's pretty much life-proof. So the reason we use these is because in the environments that you're in with your Ranger are pretty tough. So we need a tough remote, and compustar is the only one on the market. And we've perfected the Polaris Ranger General Razor install. So if you need a remote start in your side-by-side, give us a call. I'm going to show you real quick how this works. We're just going to go ahead and hit this little button here on the bottom. That gave me the confirmation it got the signal. Now our Ranger is going to start up. And then we're going to get feedback back on here telling us that it started. Just like that. So when you're 2 miles away from your side-by-side, up on Lake of the Woods, Rainy River, wherever you might be, we can start this vehicle from any distance. So it'll be nice and warm, provided you've got a heater in your vehicle. And if you don't have a heater, we've got many contacts in the side-by-side world, so give us a call.